Well, I put a new shelf. I'll put this in with having gone for a walk, just so there's a snake here in the video for you to see. I think I'd zoomed too far because I was sitting back over there. But I've put an extra shelf, so I've extended this one and given Jack more space to spread himself on it, because the other one was getting too small for him. And I was really hoping that he would venture onto it and just give it a bit of a try out, but he did. He put his head on it and then he decided that he wouldn't go any further onto it, and instead he's gone up onto his hammock, and Jack wants to come on out by the looks of him right now. Did you want to come out, buddy? Is that kind of like what you're saying to Mum? Is you want to come on out again? You were out most of yesterday, buddy, weren't you? Hey? I have made this shelf nice and secure, so Jack, will realise that the shelf is able to, hold his weight completely. But yeah, Jack had quite a bit of time out yesterday with me. But no, he's just going to chill back in there. But he's looking at that shelf, he's checking it out. He does know it's different, that wasn't there before, of course. But I don't know whether he's going to actually venture onto it at all, or he is going to make his way out today. So I don't mind whichever he decides to do. Of course, he can come on out. There's plenty of area for him to utilise out here, get some exercise. Because, Jack is relying a lot more on his own self to get himself in and out. And I haven't, and hopefully I will have put a video up of him, and me getting him out, and him not really liking and being too keen on that, because he does like to do that all on his own. And it's not about it's necessarily about him not wanting to come out. It's him wanting to rely on himself to actually do that, and he feels, I guess, a whole lot more secure. So you can't see because it's pretty dark. I'll flick the light on, maybe that might make a bit of a difference for everybody. But he's made his way down to the bottom so that he'll think about doing it all by himself, and that's cool by me. You coming out, dude? Yeah? Gonna come on out? Yep, yes, yes. Yes, yes. You can do it. You can do it. Takes his jolly time. Jack, will I go on the table? Will I go this way? Which means he'll go all the way around here and all the way over. He spent heaps of time yesterday exploring everything out here, so he was everywhere, really, the whole time, weren't you? Hey? You just didn't want to settle in a hangout spot. You wanted to explore everywhere and anywhere. that curious mind working. Where will I go? And so on. Hey, where are you going to go? Do you know yet? Hey? He'll figure it out, guys. What is that there? Hey? What is it there in the way? All Mum's books and papers. Hey? I don't always have them there, do I? They move around a bit in the room. No, not that way, dude. There's too much stuff over there. Way too much stuff. You want a hand? Hey? Now he's going to use my hand to come further out, just so that that buck bit doesn't fall anywhere. So I'll get more of him out this way and get more of his body on the out here. Oh, okay, I see. He just wants to go up. That is pretty much what Jack is saying. So, oh, with this rib, I tell you what, not easy lifting a big wolf. Oh my goodness, Jack. I got you, dude, but you're gonna have to help me out here. And don't stop and smell the roses again along the way. Okay? Holy dooly. One of my favourite sayings is that, holy dooly. Oh, okay. Good-o. Get a grip. Oh, I'm trying to move my hand down his body at the same time. And we're doing it, so just so he doesn't go kerflump and thinks he's gonna fall at all. Ooh. Okay. Well, that was hard work, guys. That was rather difficult, but we managed it. So, now that my boy's out, I will finish the video. So, guys, please take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes. And she's a frequenter in this one. All your animals. And ciao.